Oh yeah.
What you got?
It's big. It's big. We're gonna see it shortly. Real soon. Oh, look at the look. You can see it. You can see it. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Damien, look at that fish.
Woo!
Oh my! Damien, look at that fish.
Oh, what if it was up here?
Oh!
Gotta hold you down in the boat.
Here, I need to be able to pivot. Holy shit, dude! Holy shit, dude!
That's a nice blue.
That's an 80 pounder. At least an 80 pounder.
That's a nice blue. You need me to hold it while you try to get it?
Yeah, you just work the camera.
Dude, I got.
You work the camera.
Woo!
We just got a bath.
Phone, cigarettes, and all.
But still, that's at least 80 or 90 pounder.
Damn.
Yeah, that's at least a 90.
Damn, I thought I wasn't cold already.
Yeah, no shit.
I actually feel better now. That water's warm.
Dude, that's a 90-pound fish.
Damn.
What do you think?
That's awesome.
That's a big motherfucker.
Don't you get, motherfucker? Hey. Okay, I get it. Shit.
Oh, stay on.
Here, let me have the pole.
Stay on.
Here, let me see the pole. I can hold it. Oh, you gonna put it in the rod holder?
Yeah.
Hang on, girl. Oh.
Stay here, bitch.
Hey, don't cuss the fish.
Sorry. Oh, come here. Oh, my God. Okay, I lied. It's bigger.
Come on, get in here.
I can't lift it. Ow.
Come on, you got it.
Ow. It's too big.
No, it ain't. Come on. Yeah.
God dang.
Woo.
God dang. 2 days in a row.
How you feel about that one?
Woo!
Hell yeah.
Look at that catfish. That's at least 90 pounds.
Mm-hmm.
That's at least 90 pounds.
Damn.
That's almost as big as yesterday's.
Almost. That's
almost. Ow!
You good?
Look at that pond. Look at that belly.
Big girl.
Look at that.
Hell yeah.
Look at that catfish.
That's a big girl right there. Shit. I'm waiting for my rod to go down in a minute.
Oh.
Your hand okay?
Oh no, it hurts.
That's a nice fillets right there.
Oh, that's going back in the water.
I know that. I'm just saying that's some nice fillets.
Dude, you got it on video, right?
I got all this on video. Look at that. Jesus Christ.
Look at that catfish.
Woo. Okay.
The one I got yesterday was bigger than this. By a lot.
That's my big ass hand over the whole head. Still not wrapping around.
Look at that. Oh man.
That's a pretty girl.
Oh man.
You got her unhooked yet?
No.
Work on getting her unhooked. You're bleeding.
Oh, I bet I am.
She got you at the teeth?
Yup.
Little teethers?
Oh, look at that catfish, Dee Dee.
You a lucky son bitch.
You're so beautiful.
It is.
Please don't bite me when I take this hook out.
Oh, probably wouldn't you if somebody was trying to take a hook out your mouth? Look at that compared to my size 13 shoe. Shit. Where's the pliers at?
Oh.
Here.
I know.
I
know.
You're a big girl. If I had a pond, I swear.
Yeah, no shit. Dude, this has been my year.
Not mine yet.
Look at that big damn fish.
Damn.
Ow! Ow! Get it off! Here, you open up. Don't do that, you'll hurt her.
I'm not gonna hurt her. I'll make sure her mouth don't shut. Look at them big chompers right there, filled with your skin.
There we go.
Got it. See? That thing helped a lot.
On my slammer.
On the slammer.
Pen slammer. Hey, brought.
Look at that big bitch right there. Here, let me move this receipt out the way. Look at that big bitch. That one little fin is a size 13 shoe.
And my thumb.
That's not the way you...
I don't want to do it that way.
No.
Oh.
You're okay, girl.
That is at least a 90-pound fish.
That's a little bit bigger than the one I caught a while back.
Look at that. Oh.
Look at that big bitch. You gonna tag it real quick?
Yeah, I will.
Okay. Well, we're gonna end the video right here. Look at that big bitch.
That is a great big catfish.
Smile. Hey.
Oh, man.